Hello teachers, I'm Amber from TGIF, Third Grade is Fun, and I'm a classroom teacher too, just like you, and I'm going to show you how to use my editable resources in your classroom. So on this second page, I have some editing tips, which everything I'm going to go through with you except for this tip right here where it says want a new font. So I'm going to show you about it really quickly. There's lots of fonts available on your computer, but not all the fonts are those pretty fonts that we all super duper love. For example, like this one right here, those are not always available on your computer. So if you're wanting a different font, just click the Control-Click button on this picture right here, and it will take you to this website right here, A Teachable Teacher. And she's done an awesome tutorial on how to install and use fonts, and even gives you lots of resources. It says right here that KG fonts are free for personal use. So if you're just using this in your classroom, you can download KG fonts, and she has a link here. And she tells you how to edit everything step by step in this tutorial. So back to this and how to edit the resource that you just purchased. If you will click on the first page, you'll see right here it says text here. I can totally click on that and erase, and I can type whatever I want. Oops, I always misspell my last name. Silly me. If you need this text box to be bigger, you can click and drag it. You can make it smaller, whatever you need to do. You can also highlight your text and make your text larger or bigger if you need to. Now, for this rainbow colored font, you can only do one letter at a time. I'm sorry, I know it's kind of time consuming, but if you want to keep the pretty rainbow like I have above, and I like it, obviously, because I made these binders actually a year ago for my classroom, and I'm just now getting around to putting them up on Teachers Pay Teachers. So you have to do one letter at a time. If you don't, this is what happens. It ends up being one solid color. So if you want to keep that rainbow font, please do it one letter at a time. The black and white is editable also. So you can obviously change all of this. Obviously, we're the Bulldogs at my school. You can change these. This part is not editable because it's a special font and I have to protect it for the font designers, but you can change it to whatever you want to down here. At the end, I'm going to show you some other resources. Number one, if you like dog theme resources, you can Control-Click on this link right here, and it will take you to my Teachers Pay Teachers store. And if you scroll down past the featured resources, right here, you'll see everything here that is dog themed that is in my TPT store so far, and I'm adding to it as we speak. So there's lots of dog themed things there. Obviously, I like this little pink bulldog. You can also visit me on Facebook. If you'll click this link right here, Control-Click again, and you can visit and follow me on Facebook. And so I enjoy giving tips there, and you can scroll down and see the posts that I've made. I share tips for the classroom, products, all kinds of videos and tutorials and all kinds of things. So I'd love to visit you or have you visit me on Facebook and join me. I enjoy talking to everybody there. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm sure it's not been the most professional video you've ever seen, but hey, you know what? I am a classroom teacher too. So learning how to share these tricks and tips with you all. So thank you so much for your purchase, and I hope that everything works out just great for you.